back to another vlog. I am Christy. I'm travelling with my husband and my 4 children, and we are currently on the Disney Dream as part of our Walt Disney World and Disney Cruise Line trip series. It's day 3 of our Disney cruise. I got up nice and early and watched the sunrise over Nassau. I'll try and insert a bit of footage here. It's a really chill day for us today. We're not getting off the ship. We have docked at Nassau. Nassau, how do you say it? Nassau? I don't know, however you say it. But we have been there several times and we've decided to stay on and enjoy the ship. Do I have a jumper on? Yes, because the air conditioning in an inside a Disney cruise line is always freezing. When I get up on top deck, the sun hopefully will come out and I won't need it. And I have my swimming stuff on underneath, but for the minute a jumper is needed. We are off to Royal Gathering this morning, which we're taking Ellen to meet the princesses. Royal Gathering is a pre-booked princess meet and greet. You get 4 princesses. It's usually like Belle, Cinderella, Tiana and one other. And you have to arrive at your selected slot. You have to book this so many days in advance and it fills up so quickly. We have been successful with getting them reservations when we get on at the port. Sometimes they release some extra ones when you log into the cruise app. Not often though, so I would really try your hardest to do that. I am going to do a video about everything you need to know and how you need to prepare for your Disney cruise. This is our 6th or 7th Disney cruise, so we've made the mistakes. We've been there, we've done that, and I'm going to share with you some tips on a future video, so make sure you're subscribed for that one. Guess the character, Coco. Lilo, Ariel. Also, let's look at Matt's breakfast. Always full of sweet.
It's quite a light breakfast.
A plate of hash browns for Madam, and I had egg and cherry waffles.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Yeah?
We did the part earlier.
Oh, your grandma.
Huh?
Your grandma. Which was your favourite, Els?
All of them.
All of them, you can't pick?
Yeah.
All of them were her favourite, Daddy. Oh, Daddy took some good pictures. Also, it's such a mum thing to do, but I always do some washing when I'm on the cruise, especially because we're going back to Walt Disney World in a few days, and I like to go home with like mostly clean washing, especially the 6 of us, because you know, if you've got a lot of kids, there's a lot of washing. And the washing facilities are really good here. I'll just show you. This is what the laundry rooms look like. I've currently got stuff in this dryer and this dryer, and they've just finished. It's really easy. They also have washing tablets, washing powder for you to use. This tells you across the ship if there are dryers or washers free, if these ones were all in use. They're not. This is a good size one. Deck 6 is usually quite good. can't explain how much sand comes out of the children's stuff when you've been to Castaway or Lookout, and the best bit is all the sand's going in Disney's washing machine and tumble dryer and not mine. Oh, and they play Disney songs in the laundry room, so you're listening to Disney music. It's just another bonus, guys. It's just another bonus of doing Disney laundry. Mums, you need to do it. You good? Nice? Yeah? So messy to eat, but they are so good. I really don't want to get any of my jumper. They're really good. I had the chicken. I like everything else you could get.
We're gonna have to manage that tomorrow.
Just dropped Theo back to Kids Club. He literally came out, ate 2 slices of pizza, and now he's back in the Kids Club again. I'm trying to convince him, like, stay, hang out with us, come and do something with us. No, Mum, I want to go back to Kids Club. So, letting him be independent and decide what he wants to do, but I'm really sad that he wants to play in the Kids Club rather than hang out with us. I am just walking back to meet up with Matt, Mason and Ollie, because they have just eaten some lunch upstairs. Matt just got himself some tacos because he saw mine and decided he wanted some, and then I'm going to see if we can go on the Aquaduck or maybe go and do Midship Detective, but Ollie and Mace are happy to hang out with us for a little bit, which is really nice, so we're going to go and do that. We've just come back to the room. We're going to get our swim things on. What are we going on?
Aquaduck.
The Aquaduck! We haven't done it yet, have we?
No.
So me, Matt, Mason and Ollie, I couldn't even remember who I had. No, I didn't have him. Look, also, look at Ollie's top. Do you think he likes ketchup? Hey? Why are you always ruining your clothes? So we are going on the Aquaduck. We're going to splash our way down. We haven't done it yet, have we? This is the saddest thing that you ever get on a Disney cruise, okay? There's nothing sad about a Disney cruise apart from this, Ollie. Do you know why?
Why?
Because this means it's your last night and you got to think about packing and gratuities, like gratuities that they have to pay. Yeah, so I literally just said it's the worst thing about a Disney cruise. There's nothing bad about a Disney cruise apart from that. So they put them on your beds. You get like a list of who you pay what to. You can tip them more than this if you feel like they've done a good job. Like, for instance, our servers have been brilliant. My stateroom host has been amazing. So, you know, we might give them more than what they recommend. But this is sort of your, like, I don't think it's mandatory.
Taxes.
It is mandatory. I think it is mandatory. It's not taxes, it's like a tip for how good they've been. And then they also give you your luggage tags. These are really important because if you put your luggage out the night before, I think it has to be out by 10 p.m. You leave these outside with your cases, and then when you disembark off the boat tomorrow, you'll know which station to go to collect your luggage. So ours will be Daisy Duck. And then there's also envelopes. So with the gratuities, mine is registered to prepay them on my card for the amount, and then any additional, I can put some cash in these envelopes, and they're all like labelled. So this one here says it's for your server, your assistant server. So like Fabio, our assistant server, he's been wonderful. So we might pop something extra in there for him. But it's really sad when this is on your bed because it just means the cruise is nearly over. But fear not. Why, Ollie? Because where are we going tomorrow?
Disney Animal Kingdom 1.
We're going back to Walt Disney World tomorrow for another, tomorrow's Monday, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We fly home Saturday. But I don't think you count the Monday, so I think it's 5 full days.
I think we got 6.
I think there's like 5 or 6 more days still of Walt Disney World. back on Guardians, back in the Disney bubble. We're staying in 2 hotels. The first one that we're going back to is Animal Kingdom Lodge.
And then we go to Disney for a 1-night Polynesian.
And then we've got the last night at the Poly, just because that's Mason's favourite, and I always try and get 1 night at the Poly. It's also become this really weird thing. We seem to always do our last night at the Polynesian. We have like the last 4 or 5 trips. 4 trips? Yeah, the last 4 trips we've done the last night at the Poly. It's just become a thing. Hello. I was just saying we're going to go on the Aquaduct. Yeah? Right, okay, so let's get dressed, let's go out and let's go on the Aquaduct. Woo! Are we going to share?
Do your own.
Oh.
Masters week. I feel like I'm on the greens on Augusta.
You won't share with me, I've got to get my own.
Someday it will be intellectual. You'll be rich. You'll have a palace.
Okay, gonna have a photo? Yeah. So I have just discovered that the last few hours of footage that I have filmed is in slow motion with no sound. So I'm going to catch you up really quickly. We spent some of the afternoon you would have seen, but the rest of the evening we decided to skip out on dinner. We felt like because it's a 3-night cruise and we've just been enjoying bits of the ship and it's quite short, we decided Enchanted Garden is a restaurant that we've eaten in plenty of times before. It's our least favourite, isn't it, Matt? We would say. So we decided to skip it. We had dinner by the pool and we've explored the ship a bit more. The kids went back to Kids Club. They then came out and we had some dinner by the pool. We went for a walk around the atrium. We just did lots of little bits. We just spent some time as a family before we have to get off the Dream, because I've got 6 very sad Bradens that are getting off the Disney Dream in the morning. We are all packed up and ready to go pretty much. We're just going to get into our pajamas, pop on a Disney film and watch some and watch a film together before we go to bed. I've had a wonderful trip. This cruise has been a really lovely part of the trip and a really nice surprise addition because it wasn't a planned thing. So 3 nights didn't feel long enough, but we are so grateful.
I always find that 3 nights on a cruise is just you can't settle.
Yeah, and you can't do
also,
everything.
I thought it was long, but not long. Like,
Not long
yeah,
enough.
it's not. I want to. Can I do 2?
I feel like I've not seen you.
What?
Yeah, to be fair, Theo, you've not done anything with being kids club. Every time I tried to get you out, you told me no.
And you cried because you went.
Because he loves it so much. So yeah, we all felt like it's not long enough, but we are really grateful because we got to come on the cruise that wasn't part of the trip. We got to we got to come because it was part. We got, oh my goodness, I can't speak. We got to come on a cruise which wasn't part of the trip. It wasn't part of the plan. It was a bonus, and we're very grateful that we've been and we got to do it.
Neither was this whole trip.
Neither was the whole trip. So,
Yeah,
but our trip hasn't ended, guys, and that's why we're not feeling too sad.
Let's just not say goodbye. Let's say see you next time.
So
That's
see you
a
real
lovely
soon.
statement, yeah.
Yeah, but
Like
it's
Mickey
actually
says,
not
see you
the
real
end,
soon.
so we don't have to say goodbye right now because we're
still
still
gonna-
sleeping in here.
Yeah, we're not leaving
and
till
we're
the
gonna
morning.
say our favourite bit of the cruise.
Yeah, we're gonna say goodbye and we'll leave in the morning.
Not gonna say
and
goodbye
then
right now.
we're heading back to Walt Disney World tomorrow. Yay!
In 2 days, we were staying in my favourite resort, Disney's Polynesia.
Very true. Grogu has arrived. Grogu, this is Grogu's first cruise. Grogu, how did you feel about your first cruise?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Okay.
My favourite.
Yeah, tell me your favourite part. What's your favourite part?
So my favourite bit is like going up to get the ice cream and like all like the lookout key was good. Like going to get like in Deck 11
Yeah.
where you go to get like it's free food.
It's free food.
Kids can just go up like kids can just go up and say, "Oh, I can have this."
So Theo's
Sissako and all that stuff, and I do that all the time.
favourite things are the food, the kids club, lookout key.
Yeah.
Okay.
My favourite is Kids Club, and it's I love spending time with our family in the pool.
Oh, that's
That's one.
nice.
That's my second favourite, and my third favourite is going on the dream with my family.
Oh, May's favourite.
time, really.
Dad's gonna be really disappointed about this, but he's an adult. I'm a kid. He's more than double my age. 24 on the fantasy. He lost 31-30 in a chicken tender challenge. This year, 3 nights, he lost 18-16.
I only
Yeah.
ate six tenders.
The last 2 cruises that we've done chicken tender challenge, the only 2 cruises we've done chicken tender challenges, he has lost.
I only ate 4 famous Theo's. Kids Club food and
Kids club food and lookout key.
yeah.
Nice. Daddy, favourite?
Mine was a moment. It was the moment we got on board the ship and we were sitting at the front of the boat. The little kids were in the splash pool. Me and you were sitting there with a cocktail and just
Hey, that's not
soaking in
fair.
with the Disney Dream vibe.
I love
You
that.
guys had a
Being on the
cocktail.
cruise with my family.
Oh, I love
know.
that. Okay, so my favourite bit of the cruise, I don't know, there's so many. Getting to experience the lookout key for the first time, just as us as a 6, that was really special. And bringing Ellen aboard the Dream for me, because Ellen had never done the Dream, and I feel like we've ticked something off the list as a family. So 8 seconds
know.
left. So if you don't know already, please hit that like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching.
And if you
we'll see
don't know,
next
I
time.
met the princesses.
Bye.
Bye.